Glandore is a fully fitted, flexible workspace in city centre locations in Dublin, Belfast and Cork. We are a family business and we've been in business for 18 years. We have looked after some of the world's largest companies from Facebook, Twitter, Eaton Corporation that have scaled their teams in Glandore. We look to provide the same amenities and facilities that a multinational would have access to within their own headquarters. Glandore spent a lot of time looking at how we can create a modern workplace environment for our members. In terms of the design of the space, we very much look at putting in the highest quality, whether that be the raw materials or the AV equipment. We always seek to put in the very best infrastructure. When we're dealing with some of the biggest companies in the world, we want to make sure that facilities are of that grade. We're looking to create these environments that can bring people together. We have everyone from entrepreneurs or startups rubbing shoulders with CEOs from multinational companies who are starting out in Ireland. Glandore has a very friendly, supportive community. Community is at the forefront of everything that we do. As a family business, we care deeply about building long-term connections with our members. We offer members a home away from home. We're more than office space, we're more than people providing a service. We do it with warmth, with care and with hospitality. And as a family business, this is really at the heart of everything that we do.